Hey guys, it's me again, Steve Hughes here, the Math Whisperer. Today we're talking about a question dealing with percent increase. The question says if the population of the city decreased by 26% since it was last measured, if the current population is 48,000, what was the previous population? All right, so first question is, what are we trying to find? We are trying to find the original population. So if we think about the equation A equals PB, I'll write it out here for us. The amount A equals the percent times the base. All right, the base is the original amount, P is the percent increase or decrease, and A is the new amount. All right, if I know that the new amount is 48,100, all right, 48,100, I know that this is a percent increase. That means I need to take 1 minus 0.26 times B. All right, so that tells me how to find the value of B, but I haven't isolated B by itself. So if I really want to know what B is, I would need to take 48,100 divided by 1 minus 0.26, and that is equal to B. And yes, of course, I know, you could subtract and find the difference here, right? You could put in 0.74 if you wanted to, but it's not necessary to do so here. All right. So having done that, we're going to ask ourselves the next question. Do we expect the number that we find to be larger or less than 48,100? Right. We expect it to be more than. Why? Because the population decreased. All right. So on the left-hand side, I have some really nice little tables built here for us. The first one says, this graph is for finding the new amount, given that I know the percent increase P and the original amount B. Okay, that's my original equation right there. That's not the one we need. We need this one. It says, this graph is for finding the original amount B, given the percent increase P and the new amount A. That's what we know. That's right. That's what we want. B equals A divided by P. So here I've set up my table in Desmos. I put in 48,100. I put in my percent decrease, right? It's not increasing, it's decreasing. So 1 minus 0.26 equals B, right? Which is A divided by P. So in Desmos, I just put A divided by P, and it gives me 65,000. All right. That tells me that the population was 65,000, right? It was 65,000. Right? That was the original amount. It went down by 26% and it arrived at 48,100, right? That's what it arrived at. So I can check this, everybody, and double check my answer to make sure it's right by doing what? By putting the 65,000 back into my equation right here in place of P. So I put 65,000. All right. I put my percent decrease, which is what I have here, right? 26%. And it is 48,100 is back to the original answer that I had. So that being said, everybody, we have successfully answered this question. And we now know that with a population having a 26% decrease and starting out at 48,100, the population was 65,000. And we are done. Short, sweet, can't have too much fun. Catch you later.